watching time pass me by. Memories keep playing like there's songs in my life. The power lines are stretching on forever out of sight, like a bird up on a wire, holding on with all his might. You've got a friend, it'll be alright. Wonder which way my life will go. Is it wrong or is it right? Got a head full of questions and I'm always asking why. Permanent afflictions, is this my new life? And the memories keep playing like there's songs in my life. You've gotta pretend that you'll be alright. Badly battered and battle scarred, don't give up now, you've come so far. The end is near and in plain sight, only you know how to win this fight. Been dreaming of the years that have all sadly passed. The memories come flooding back, although they're quick and fast. Bad thoughts keep on haunting me like clouds in my mind. These days as I get older and I don't know wrong from right, you'll have to fight, but you'll be alright. Why do you keep telling me how I should live my life? Been sitting here all night and day until early dawn's first light. The days are bright and clear when you let yourself see. When the raging storm has passed, going out to sea, I fell apart, but I survived. Badly battered and battle scarred, don't give up now, you've come so far. The end is near and in plain sight, only you know how to win this fight. The tears in my eyes ain't no surprise, you just never see them